Hello. Good evening. Good evening to you all. Hmm. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing good. Let me let me find this my thing. Yeah. Hope you are all doing good. I am equally doing good. We thank Chukwu Okike Ekekerowa for another day. We give him praise for another day. Ekene dịrị Chukwu for today. Yeah. So I am back here. I just want to, yeah. So, Ndewonu, well done to you all. Join this program, please. Come in, share, and like, because, when you share and like, you'll be getting notification. I don't know. So please join us. Join me. Good evening, Ife. Thank you so much, my brother Samuel Okeni, for coming in. Thank you. You don't mind if you can share this program, please, and like and share. I'm also on YouTube. I have my YouTube there. YouTube is also Never Give Up If You Young Bigo on YouTube. Never give up. What's my YouTube? Never Give Up 10. Yeah, that's my YouTube. And If You Young Bigo. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. Hope you are all doing good. Yeah. Um, Recently we also, but I'm going to play something, but before I play that, we saw um what is her name now? She visited they visited Africa, they visited Nigeria. They visited Nigeria, yeah. And according to the information I got, that Meghan Markel, she visited Nigeria. And according to the information that that we that she's an Igbo, she did a DNA test, and it was confirmed that her great grandfather, those people that they took for slave, that she's an Igbo woman, Igbo Ada Igbo. Yeah, we thank God. That is a good news for her. At least she has traced her origin. She knows her roots, which is very, very important. There's this lady called Tina. She said she contested for the PDP. She was so excited about the news because where this thing that I was in the program, the where the WhatsApp group I am in, she shared it and she was like, I said, what is all this all about? Well, it's a good news for for her. It's very good news for her. Meghan is a very good news for Meghan. The Prince Harry's wife. She dressed in Igbo attire. Let me show the dressing here. Before I play the program I'm here for, I just wanted to see. She dressed like this, but this is not Igbo attire. I don't know. This is not how we dress. We don't dress like this. So the people that dress her, this is not the way we dress. There's another one I saw where she was also dancing. Let me make it large. She was also dancing. No, yeah, they say she wore this is her here now. This is her. She visited an Igbo. She visited a place, and this is her here. She's so excited that at least she find her roots. That she's an Igbo, Ada Igbo. And they even named, what is the name? They call her, what's the name? Let me get the name they call her. Yeah, Duchess of Sussex, Aka Ada Ifeomagu of Igbo land, Obianugu in Udi, local government area. According to the information, say what a connection after a kidnapped from Obianugu in Udi, local government area in Enugu State, and traffic through Arochukwu slave camp in the early 80th century to America. The good news is that she's finally succeeded in tracing her route, Udi, local government area in Enugu State. uh, with the local government, Enugu State. Well, that is good news for her. But with that, what is there anything that would benefit us? Well, you never can tell. You never can tell because him and a heart body asị. Ndị ahụ bụ ndị ahụ ha kpọrọ ya asị ha afụghị ya n'anya. So o nwere ike kịta ọ mụrago ebe o si, o nwere ike ka anyị nebe n'anya mara ma Chineke esi n'aka ya wee mee ka ihe anyị na-achọ ka anyị nweta ya. Ebe ọ bụ na ha kpọrọ ya asị ọ nọghọzi ebe ha na ha rapport well. So maybe let us keep hoping and believing what we are looking for. We don't know where our help will come from. But as she has found out now that her DNA linked to Igbo people, that is a very good news for her. At least for that, she has traced her roots. So she now went to an Igbo. I show you the picture of her dancing. Where you see where she was dancing. No, not dancing. They were welcoming her to an Igbo, like, here it is. I'm coming to show it before. Let me bring it up. This one, they were welcoming her. Let me make it large. I don't know why I can't make it larger. Let's see if I can. They are welcoming her
Come. You want to meet after? How did you capture it?
You don't understand. This is not the way Igbo people tie wrapper at all. This is like Benue people tie this kind of thing, not us. This is not our dressing. This is not the way we dress. But they said they welcome her.
When you finish. Come. You want to meet after?
How did you capture it?
Okay, so I don't understand. So that is it now. But I want to play something, and I want us to listen to this, to see the atrocity in the untold British history in Hamere. Credit to Abigail. I love her. Abigail LucyMary. I love her. She's on fire. I love her spirit. I love her, that lady. So credit to Abigail. I'm going to play her thing here. Yeah, for you to listen. The atrocity these people committed, and they are still committing. And they never even apologized to us. We don't even need the apology, because they are not, they will not even apologize. And they are still doing the same thing they did to us. Different mind control, controlling us in different ways. So I hope, now that the royal family have Igbo blood. They have Igbo blood now. You see how things happen. You see how things turn around. Really, she did a. Let me type my follower so they can comment. She did a DNA test, and the DNA test proved that she is an Igbo. She has Igbo roots. So you see, after all the British did to us, after all the things they did to Ndi Igbo, you know how they supported to massacre us. Now they have Igbo blood. There you go. Now they have Igbo blood, and their children is now have Igbo blood. What would they do now? What are they going to do? She determined to do the test, and she did it, and it proved that she's Igbo. Amazing. That is good. Now, what am I going to do? Follow us. Let me do follow us so that they can come in and follow us. Okay, so I am going to start display this now for you to hear what these people that they are still evil smelling. They never stopped. They will continue. And other people, they wouldn't even listen. When you tell them things, they say, hey. Let me play this now. Oh God, where's the why is it not coming on? Okay, perfect. That is not my followers. I need to write my followers. Where is it? Okay. Sorry for taking your time. Now I'm going to play this. I'm coming. I'm coming with this now. Listen. I'll come up with this. Hide. Okay. I'll come up with this. Play screen. With this. Perfect. Now, do you know this lady? She's so fire. I really like her.
Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always returning. Trust you and yours are well. And you're loving yourself and others like always. Many thanks to all of you for the support you give to the channel. Thank you so much to our channel members, to our anonymous supporters, to all of you my team subscribers. You are all loved, celebrated, and appreciated.
Why?
So I want us to go back a bit.
Why is it not coming up? Sorry, I don't know. I'm coming.
Originally, we are meant not to know. As the melanated race, as the black people, as Africans.
What happened? Why is it not coming up? Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna come up. What's going on? Perfect. Come on, screen. Share. Share the screen. Why is this screen not sharing? What have I done? This screen's supposed to share. I'm back. Hey! Oh, God. I am so sorry. I don't know what happened.